Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, healthy, home-cooked recipe. Today I prepare one of the easy way of cooking clams, steamed clams. Write in the comment your name and the country you are watching my video to greet and thank you, which is usually done at the end of the video. So keep on watching, you might be the next person I will greet. To all my followers, thank you for being with me once again and for your continued supports. For those who are new here, I hope you like and learn from today's recipe. To begin, we need 1 kilogram of clams. Clam is a common name for several kinds of bivalve mollusks. The word is often applied only to those that are edible and live as in fauna, spending most of their lives halfway buried in the sand of the seafloor or riverbeds. Minced or chopped 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. We need 1 medium size of onion, cut and slice. Don't misinterpret, clams and mussels are 2 different kinds of seashells. Mussels tend to be larger than clams and have a more elongated shape. Clams have a more rounded shape and are typically smaller than mussels. Mussels are chewier than clams. Your feedback helps us grow. Tell us what you want to see next. Have a small amount of ginger and slice. In the description are some of the kitchenware and kitchen utensils that are for sale. You can click the link, perhaps you are interested with them. Slice 2 pieces of tomato. There are quite a few varieties out there. Which kind to buy depends on how you plan to cook your clams. But keep in mind, the larger they are, the tougher and chewier they can get once cooked. Cut some turnip leaves. These turnips are bought in the market. The leaves are still good, so we can add them to our clams. Few people knew that turnips leaves are edible. It's true they can be eaten. In fact, they have same vitamins and nutrients like the fruits itself. Check if they are some old leaves and cut them into 3 parts. Separate each leaves because they usually intact once you wash them. In a heated saucepan, put some cooking oil, then sauté the garlic and ginger. Continue on sautéing until the aroma comes out. Then add the onion. Continue on cooking until the onion be caramelized. Then add the tomato. I hope you can still follow the recipe. For the flavor, we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper to taste and mix the ingredients. Now add 1 bowl of water and wait until it starts to boil. Then add the turnip leaves. Here all we need is just to blanch the turnip leaves. Then add the clams. Let it boil for 1 minute, then turn off the heat. Clams have a hard to describe taste, but they are very flavorful, and they have a salty and slightly fishy taste. The texture is soft, chewy, and almost buttery. Clams are one of the most nutritious foods in the world, and they offer an exceptional range of nutrients. To Jake from Canada, Pinoy Club in USA, and to Joe of United Kingdom, thank you for watching and to your continued supports. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.